Hey, I'm Joe with Tool Warrior. In today's video, we're going to review the DEWALT 2-gallon cordless shop vac. We're going to be talking about the specs, the pros and cons, the features, and I'm going to show you a little demo of me using this on the car and a couple other little things. So I absolutely love this guy. It's only 8 pounds, 2 gallons. It takes the 20-volt batteries. It has a 5-foot hose, stretches out to 5 feet. It's about 17 inches by 12 by 12. Okay, so this thing's very compact. And what I love about it, one of the things I love about it, is the attachments are built in, they're on board. There's only 2 of them. You know, when you got the bigger ones, they're flopping all over the place, they're falling off. These things fit perfectly in there. Look at how nicely this guy fits in here. So we got this right there. And then the little crevice tool pops right in there. I like to use, you can use any of the 20-volt batteries. The one that I like to use is the 5 amp hour. So let me come over here to my little battery station here. All you do, pop it in there. The on button's right here. I think it's actually pretty powerful. Okay, let's look inside this thing. I want to see what, so you can see what we're dealing with inside. It comes with this wet dry filter, so it is a wet dry, and you can just wash this thing off. You can see my daughter having cleaning her hamster's cage out with that. So it's great for these small projects like that. And with a 2-gallon capacity, you can actually stick it into a toilet if you need to empty the toilet out. Any kind of clogged pipes, anything like that. It's perfect for those smaller projects. So that's all the cool stuff about it, but what are the cons? There's a couple things I want to talk about. On some of the review videos that I saw on there, some people will start it up and it'll shut off after 2 seconds. Mine's never done that. Mine has worked perfectly. Just like most of my DEWALT stuff, this stuff is tough. You can bang it around. And it's just durable, you know, hard molded plastic. Now, some people don't like the fact that it's only 2 gallons, but like I said, I use this for the small jobs, and then I got my other full-size DEWALT vac that I use to clean up my garage if I'm doing a big project and there's sawdust everywhere. I'm gonna use this to clean out the car. You can see right here, I'm using this to clean out my wife's car, and it's, you know, it's not gonna do a deep, detailed clean, but it's gonna pick up any kind of crumbs and any kind of dirt or loose mud or anything that's dried up on the floor or seats. It's great for stuff like that. Another thing you got to be aware of, it doesn't come with its own battery, so it's just the unit. You got to get your own DEWALT battery. So if you have DEWALT tools, any of your 20-volt batteries will work in here. Now, the reason that I got this little guy is because I got sick of, you know, every time I had a small little project, let's say I was cutting a little hole in some drywall and I needed to vacuum it up, I'd have to lug my big, you know, full-size shop vac up the stairs. Some of the attachments would fall off. I'd have to get the cord and find a place to plug it in, and it was just an ordeal. With this thing, I can run, I can jump over to the project, you know, pull the cord out, and I'm off to the races. I'm here cleaning stuff. When I'm done, pull this little guy in here, pop it in there, clip it in, put it back in my shop. This is where I keep it. See how nicely that fits? Nice and compact. Stuff's not falling everywhere. I don't have to keep track of a bunch of accessories.